What's good? Look here, man. We live and direct back in the mansion, man. We about to get busy, man. You know what it is, man. Episode 3, man. Let's get to it, man. The main course comes by way of request from a Facebook follower. I don't remember the name. I'll just put it in right here. And the request was either for chicken or beef. I'm going with, or fried catfish. So that we're not doing fried catfish. So I'm doing beef. Yeah. And then I also got some bean sprouts here. I got 1 bell pepper. I got a stock of green onions. And I'm also going to use a habanero pepper because I have one. And I don't know. We'll see. For now, this pretty much are all the ingredients. Yes. Anyway, I'm going to get the prep work done, and we'll be right back. All right. So I have the beef chuck all cut, and I just cut it, just rough cut it. And I do like a good amount of marbling and a good amount of fat on my beef because it's really nice. It gives flavor, and we do need some fat in our bodies. We do actually need it. I'm using a little tomato bouillon here. This this is the tomato one. I'm using that, and then garlic and onion powder. And then I'm going to season it while it's in the skillet. And I did spray a little bit of grapeseed oil in the skillet before I put the meat in there. So I'm going to use this whole tomato bouillon. That in there. Put the onion and the garlic powder in there. Woo, wish y'all could smell it. That's the onion powder. Now let's get some garlic powder. All right. Nice. So while that is doing its thing, I always say we. But you know, I mean I. Okay, so these are the peppers. Where's my plate? I'm lying. These are green onions. Green onions. Get my plate. And I'm just gonna rough large cut these because I'm using everything that I have. I just want to use it all. And then since I'm just eating it like that, I do want to, I wanted everything to be a part of a part of the dish and not to really cook down to nothing, you know? You know what I mean, Vaughn? I don't know if anyone knows this, but you can sprout your green onions. So you cut them, you can even cut them down more, which I'm going to, and dip this in water about to here, you know, and re-sprout them. More green onion will grow. For anyone who may not have known that, I'm actually not going to do that in the mansion because, you know, I'm on the go. It's a mobile home. All right. That is looking tasty. I'm gonna salt that also. So I'm gonna cut up my bell pepper, let this cook a little more, and we'll be right back. All right, so I put the bell pepper and the onions in here already, and I also put in a little bit of water. So that's going to continue to cook, and I'm also going to make sure I keep it stirred up so the green onions and the bell pepper can get cooked. And let me show you. So I cut both ends off the pepper, and I cut it in chunks like that. All right, so now I am going to find my habanero pepper, cut that up, and then put that in there as well. So, and you know what? I'm gonna put the bean sprouts in there right now. Because I want these to cook down, and I'm gonna stir them up so they get to the bottom of the pot, skillet, whatever. I like bean sprouts. I like bean sprouts. I'm just cutting this rough. This isn't how I would cut my peppers traditionally, but I just cut the tip off with the stem, and I'm gonna cut the little bitty tip of that off. Not much, because I don't want to cut up all my pepper. I want my pepper. And obviously, I'm just using what I have. I don't need like I just recently bought this skillet, and this is the biggest that I need or want. And I cooked it all because when the meat is cooked, I'll be able to keep it overnight, whatever I don't eat, and then just eat it tomorrow before noon. Probably before 10. All right, so I'm gonna let that cook, and then we'll be right back. All right, guys, dinner is done. Now, this is how I'm eating it. So what we have here is, we got beef, all right? And soybean sprouts, bell pepper, and green onion, and habanero pepper. And I seasoned it with garlic and onion powder and a tomato nor bouillon. Now, this is very simple. It is phenomenal. I don't even think I own a fork anymore, because both of my plastic forks, both of my forks like this melted. So let's try it. Oh, I do have a spoon. Let's see what it tastes like. So now you can do this with rice. You can turn this into a fried rice, but I really just wanted to make just a meat stir fry. Mmm. Mmm. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Perfect. The tomato bouillon with the onion and the garlic powder, and I did put the Himalayan pink salt. This is perfect. Absolutely perfect, and it fits my craving. So it is very simple, but it is delicious. And if you've never had bean sprouts, this is a good opportunity to try them, because I did really cook them down. So you see here how they're really wilted and cooked down. Yeah, so try them if you've not tried them before. If you already know you don't like them, then obviously don't try them. Oh, this is a chew, baby. Thank you so much for tuning in to episode 3. Very simple, very quick. Not fancy, but also not the same ingredients as in a regular stir fry. So let me know how you like it in the comments, and let me know what you added. Let me know if you use rice. Let me know if you made it into like a fajita style something. Let me know what you did with this. This is the base. Let me know what you did with it. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next episode. And also, feel free to share these videos. Share the Cooking in the Mansion series. Tell all your friends about it. Tell your co-workers. Even tell people you don't like. They love hearing about good cooking shows. So tell everybody. They'll think you're cool. Thanks guys for tuning in. See you on the next one. Peace.